Hi, I'm Shannon. In this video, we'll explore the SquareKicker extension inside of a Squarespace website. We'll cover all the essentials of the SquareKicker menu, including hover mode, the device toggle, the indicated dot system, and the reset button. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to take your Squarespace website to the next level. SquareKicker tools are available on individual blocks, sections, for pages, and site-wide settings. For site and page tools, click the SquareKicker button at the top right-hand corner of your website. Customizations made in the page menu will only affect the current page you are on. Sections on your site have a specific set of SquareKicker tools. These are located in the Squarespace section toolbars. Simply click the SquareKicker button and open the toolset. Each block has a unique set of tools for the specific block type you are working on. For example, image blocks have specific tools for customizing images. There are so many ways to use these tools, so it pays to take time to explore all of your options. Watch our tutorials for all the individual tools you can see here and dive into designing your website with SquareKicker. Advanced tools are available on all SquareKicker plans, including the free trial. These tools are located next to the Design tab in the SquareKicker menu. Be sure to check out the different advanced tools available for blocks, sections, pages, and site-wide designs. Presets are a valuable feature allowing you to save time by saving customizations from a specific block or section to reuse elsewhere. This powerful feature allows you to add customizations at a lightning speed. For more information on presets, check out the tutorial on our website. Hover animations can be applied to specific elements throughout your website. The lightning bolt hover icon will show in your SquareKicker menu when this feature is available. Click the hover icon and your SquareKicker menu will turn blue, indicating hover mode is activated. Customizations made here will appear when you hover over the element. Click the hover icon again and return to the main design settings. SquareKicker allows you to make design changes for specific screen sizes. You can do so by navigating to the device toggle in the upper right-hand corner of the SquareKicker menu. Changes made inside the selected device settings will affect that screen size and smaller. For example, designs made with the desktop setting will flow down to every screen size, whereas changes made with the tablet setting will only affect your tablet and mobile version. A helpful feature built into SquareKicker is the indicated dot system. You will see these dots pop up throughout your menu, identifying what SquareKicker tools have been used in your design. You can see here I have a yellow dot indicating that I have made some design changes using this tool. A purple dot will show where a preset has been used, and a blue dot if hover state has been added. These allow you to quickly see where SquareKicker customizations are applied. On the other side of the title menu is a reset button. If you wish to remove SquareKicker changes, hover over this reset icon, pause and click. All SquareKicker changes made with that tool will be reset. Sometimes you may see a small flashing dot on your top level SquareKicker button. This will flash blue if your site is saving customizations. A red dot indicates SquareKicker is disabled, and a green dot means you have a notification. Now that you're familiar with the essentials of SquareKicker, you can jump into customizing your Squarespace website. If you haven't already, you can start your free trial and begin designing your dream website today. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with SquareKicker.